Hello, today I'll be showing you Call Macro Recorder, which is an iOS app that can record DTMF tones and the silences in between in use to navigate phone trees automatically in the future. So I will be showing you how the app works. This is a screenshot of the app. You'll see that it includes instructions and a button to start recording. So I'll install the app onto my phone for the first time. It's deleted right now. And upon first launch, you'll see a privacy notice. There's a request for privacy tracking. There will be ads in this app. And then when we press start recording, we will request for microphone access. This app records to listen to DTMF tones that are emitted by phone dialers. It does not listen to keyboards, only phone dialers, because phone dialers emit DTMF tones, which are specific frequencies. You'll see here, every comma represents silence, and it will pick up on the numbers when they're dialed. So the main use case for this is automating phone tree navigation. So let's say there's a phone number that I dial frequently, and there are some options in the phone tree that I use in it. So this is a test number that we can dial to demo the macro recording capabilities of my app. So we'll dial the number in, and then we'll hit call here. We'll put up the phone on speaker so the DTMF tones are audible, and then we'll start recording when the call connects.
One moment, please. This is Law. After the beep, record your test message and then press pound.
So now the timing is recorded, and the DTMF
Press 1 to
tones.
repeat the record and playback test. Press 2 for DTMF testing. Press 3. Enter as many as 75 DTMF keys, then press pound for a read back. One, two, three.
So let's
four,
say that's the
5, 6, 7.
all the
8.
navigating we want to do in this phone tree. So we can stop the recording there, and what we can do is long tap on the sequence here, and we'll get a button to copy it. And then we can go to our phone app and type in this test phone number again, or add it into our contacts with this macro appended to the end. So now we've pasted that macro into the end, and now we'll call. And we'll see that it repeats the same sequence that we just recorded.
This is Law. After the beep, record your test message and then press pound. Press 1 to repeat the record and playback test. Press 2 for DTMF testing. Press 3 for real-time echo test. Press 4 for enter as many as 75 DTMF keys, then press pound for a read back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, star. Press 1 to repeat the record and playback test. Press 2 for...
And that was the end of the macro. So that's how the Call Macro Recorder works to record your DTMF tone sequences when navigating a phone tree, and how to use it and play back your macros. Thank you.